Alright, welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Penguin Tech. Today I'm going to build my Tamiya TS050 Toyota Gazoo Racing Hybrid using the MA chassis. So the first thing is to cut out the body, and I'm quite nervous because this is my first time. After cutting this out, it will be followed by painting. So let's go. So I've done cutting, but you know, as you can see, those curved areas I did not do a good job. So I'm thinking to buy some sort of mini driller to smoothen out these places, so I can smooth out these places, and then I'll proceed with this painting first. And for this part, this is the part that goes onto here, and the manual does say I have to cut this out first, but I think it's easier to just paint it as this and then only cut it later. But yeah, I'm just gonna try and do that, and let's see how it works. Oh, it's a bit windy outside, but yep, I'm going to try and spray paint this with my Tamiya color PS1. This is my first painting, and I do have a question. Is I don't know whether to cut this first, then paint, or paint and cut. So what I'm going to do is just going to paint as is and then cut. And the other question I have is I'm not quite sure if I spray paint it inside or outside, so I'm going to go with inside because that's what we're going to do with the main body here, because you're going to just need to paint it underneath, which is interesting. And yeah, let's begin. So I'm pretty nervous. I'm not quite sure how well it will go, and I can't see very well. I might need to find a darker page for me to try and spray paint this. Yeah, I hope it's easier than I thought. Let's go, guys. Smells. Some parts I can't reach. Not a good spray painter, of course. Just trying to make sure I reach every part of it. I do think I overdid it, but I really don't know if it's even, but yeah. And next one will be this one. This should be very quick, I hope. So I'm not sure how long it's gonna take to dry, and how many layers should I go, but I hope it's good. I mean, it's obviously too much, I guess. Just trying to really flow. So I've sprayed at least 2 to 3 times, but I get a lot of bubbles, and apparently that's because I didn't spray correctly, as in maybe there's a lot of dirt or something. But yeah, I think this is the best I could do right now. It looks good on the video, but you know, if I look closely, there's just so many bubbles, and to be honest, I'm not satisfied with this, but this will have to do for now. and hopefully applying stickers all over the body should make it look okay from afar. So yeah, I was trying to find the protective film here, and I finally got it right. So I'm just going to peel over the body here and we'll call it done. As for this, I will do the same and cut it out. Hey guys, so done painting. Peeling off the protective film. It was a bit of a tough luck, but as you can see, looks good from camera. Maybe just a bit of a bubble, but honestly, this is my first time. I'm really not good at painting it. And as you can see at the bottom, there's so many bubbles. So yeah, same goes to this. And I've come to a conclusion that yep, it's definitely better to cut it and then only spray it. Yep. And then so the next step is to apply double-sided tape in between this. So I do think like it does ask us to fold it like so. Yep. And then to apply double-sided tape on here. Like this, and then since it's a double tap, should be able to peel this off. Okay. The work doesn't look so nice, but yeah. So it's to tap this down here. This plastic body is really not helping. And then align the holes. This one, so I'm just gonna take this one off and use my side cutter because it's easier. Goes off easily, and then I'll need to align this here and then screw them down. So I have a screwdriver here to help me with that. That means that the screwdriver is exposed, yeah? And it actually screws through the body. So this thing's facing up so that you can screw your body to your chassis. So I'm just gonna screw this one first. Alright, we got it. So this double tape, it's not that trustworthy, to be honest. It would be better if it comes in one piece, to be honest. Yep. There we go. So we've got this done. So I'm just gonna cut it again. Here. Cutter helps a lot, to be honest. And the last thing we need to do is for this to go in here. So I'm just gonna put my screwdriver here. Then put the screw. Actually, which hole to go for? I think it's up to you. It actually says L1, so I wonder what's L1. Has to be this, right? Damn, okay. Almost missed this. So the bigger part on top goes on here. Then I'm gonna screw it on the top here. Right, let me just flip it over here. So to use the upper hole. Yeah, two black things on the bottom to put it into the body. And then for the stickering, I'll do it off camera. Alright guys, I've done it. I've done my best. So this is body with all of its stickers, and I've chose number 7. So next up we'll be moving on to this body shell then. So yeah, let's go. Oh wow. So guys, it's completed. So this is my Toyota Gazoo Racing TS050. Yeah, so it's all good and running. Yeah, I enjoy it, but there are many things to improve. But yeah, that's about it, guys. I hope you enjoy my journey of building my childhood memories of building another set of Tamiya, and also exploring new things such as spray paintings. And I'll catch you guys next time. Bye bye.